CutbotLeather read the block DXF. At first, here we have to set in our format of DXF. So please click set, and we select the DXF. The DXF there are different formats. So we choose number 3rd format for 3 in Indonesia. Then we open the file and we select the block DXF, and this file is what we want to translate into our format. So we click it and we take it, then it will work. So here we can see there are different type of these shoes, and here we can push the table, and here we have to add the different. Here we have 2 kinds of shoe piece. So the name is the vamp and the tone. So here we can enter their code such as VAMP, and another code we can type as the TONGUE, and here we have to set for this kind of the shoes the piece. We have to enter his size. Maybe it's 100. The width is 100, and we do not into the length. That means it's low material. And here is a different size and the order, such as we can type the order is 100, 200, or maybe 300.